Okay, so the second one that we have today is saying evaluate the fourth root of 16 over 81 raised to the power 3, the fourth root. Now, we know how indices behave, that if you have something like even square roots, even roots sometimes, let me not say sometimes, all the time, if you have the square root of a over b, like this one, this is just the same as the square root of a over the square root of b. This is how things work. So we're going to take that one and use it in this current situation. Of course, again, apply the concept of indices so that we work out with that. Now, this one is simply the same as the fourth root, like the fourth root of 16 over the fourth root of 81. Then everything here raised to the power 3. That's what we have there. Now, what next are we supposed to do? Deal with what is inside. Forget about the power 3, the index 3. Just deal with the fourth root of 16. What do you get there? You are looking for a number such that if you use that number in the multiplication 4 times, the answer is going to be 16. What is that number such that a times a times a times a, and the answer gives is 16? That's the fourth root of 16. So definitely here you see that that number is equals to 2. So we get 2 there. A must be what? I'm saying A should be 2. Now, if A is 2, that means that the fourth root of 16 is simply 2. So what we get on top there is simply a 2 over. Again, what is that number such that if you multiply it 4 times by itself, the answer is 81. Let's say B times B times B times B, and the answer is 81. You can try these ones one by one. You can start with 1. Are you sure if where there is B there you put 1, the answer is going to be 81? No. Are you sure if you put 2 where there is 1, where there is B there, the answer is going to be 81? No, you end up with 16. Go to 3. What if you use 3? 3 times 3 gives you 9. 9 times 3 gives you 27. 27 times 3 gives you 81. So the fourth root of 81 is simply 3, like that. Then this one has to be raised to the power of 3, the whole of that thing. Let me just erase. So we have 3 here. Then everything here to the power 3. That's what we have. You go ahead and say, now, what is 2 to the power 3? Because this is just the same as 2 to the power 3 over 3 to the power 3. What do you get from there now? 2 to the power 3 gives us 8. And then 3 to the power 3 gives us 27. That one becomes our final answer.